Hey Internet Ghost here, and guess what? It's mini vlog 209, and nothing has changed from yesterday really. So yeah, don't mind the whole thing. I've had a wash because it's getting hot and such. I mean, it's a bit warmer than yesterday. Sun is out. Just came out, I hadn't you noticed, and all that. Anyway, I did about 56 minute stream on your Twitch. I, yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it really. Yeah, streamed Duolingo. Then I recorded a whatever that. Oh, not after Minecraft on the Google phone, but I was this morning. I recorded that, and then pretty much I did Duolingo this afternoon because some prick was scraping away at the wall, which I could hear every fucking scrape. It's bloody annoying. Fuck it off. So I wanted to stream Duolingo about 1 o'clock, but nope, didn't get to do it until about 2:30ish. Quite the fucking annoying thing. What was it, 3? Yeah, about 2:30ish. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Until next time, whatever.